Okay, this particular street I'm gonna go walk down Almeida Ribeiro. Just to give you a little context. It comes out at the spot where the Pont 16 is at, which is right there. Pont 16 is a large hotel resort, and that's actually where the inner harbor, all the ferry boats used to come in as well. So that's going to be where we're going to be starting our video. And then we're going to walk down that one street. So just kind of give you a reference point of where we're starting at. So we're going to be walking directly down that street right there, Almeida Ribeiro, and we're going to be showing you what it looks like, and I'll kind of tell you more about it as well. So stay tuned for that. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Almeida Ribeiro. Okay. So it's kind of a crowded spot. All the people would be going across there in a second. They would just capture that because it's kind of a good filming thing to capture. So everybody would come across here and they'll go across there. Let's see. So that's called, you can see the name of the street is over that, on that sign over that way. So okay, we're gonna come across like this. Come across here. You can see, hello. You can see a lot of tourists. So this area has a lot of tourists these days. I think it's kind of like record numbers since COVID ended. It's record numbers of mainland Chinese tourists in particular, and I think the foreign tourists is up definitely because they banned the foreigners for 3 years. They wouldn't even allow to come in, even if they had businesses here or families here or jobs here or apartments here. They wouldn't allow any of them to come in. So now they're coming in as well because they were banned. Mainland Chinese had a lot of restrictions, and now they're in large numbers back in Macau as well. So the whole feel is it's kind of crowded. So we're gonna keep on going down Ribeiro. I'm just gonna show you some highlights, and I'm kind of waiting for that crowd to go through as well. But to the left of me is this one that used to be in a lot of Hong Kong films back in 1940s, 60s. It just reopened again. This one right here is now a casino. Last I knew, maybe the casino's closed now. But I think it used to be this beautiful hotel with all these beautiful windows and balconies. And the last 10 years that I've been here, it's just been the casino. And they block out all the sunlight, so no sunlight comes in. So it kind of has that perpetual darkness that kind of keeps you in the casino because you're not aware of the time. But yeah, that one is this green building right here. Then this one is the Grand Hotel, which just reopened after 27 years. So that's back in business. And I just saw quite a few people are staying there now as well. And this street is also called San Malo, which is the Cantonese name for it. And it's also historically the street that would bring everybody into the city. So they would come in through the harbor. Historically, they would come up into this street. Definitely got a lot of interesting stuff that I can show you in any direction, but we're going to keep on going in this direction. The guy in the motorcycle was yelling, so he's trying to find somebody, I guess. He's on his phone yelling. So it looks like a delivery guy. Oh, he's ran quick, he's gone. Actually, some of these other streets could be pretty interesting to film as well, and I have filmed them many times. This is called Cinco de Octubre, which is like a Portugal, his holiday. That day is historically important to Portugal, but that street has a night market on it. This street is just kind of a beautiful street, just with all the black and white tiles, intricacies, and then kind of, I call it a rain roof, but it's also kind of a sun that just kind of blocks it, so when it's raining, it's such a great street to walk down. Let's see here. The street looks like it could use some black and white tiles. Cabeza de Corredor Area. So that's kind of the street that we're coming at. That's across the way. We're gonna keep on going down Almeida. Yeah, Almeida Ribeiro. Avenida de Almeida Ribeiro. We got a supermarket here. So we got a little taste of Macau here. This one goes all the way down to some casinos that are more new to some reclaimed area, reclaimed within the last 30 or 40 years. But I'm not going to go all the way down though. Beco de Almeida Ribeiro. Okay. Gonna navigate to this bus stop here. It's kind of cool. Color coordinated. Let's see here. All the bus stop right here. Navigate all the way down this road. A lot of people waiting for the bus right here. There's the Inner Harbor Ferry Terminal. You can see the sign for that. And now we're gonna come across here. Also, just kind of want to share this real quick. This right here used to be a place that you could buy and sell. What's the name of that kind of store? Like loan. You can loan your stuff back, pick it up later. So it's like kind of the historical significance. Okay, let's keep on walking down. Give you a little taste of Macau, anyways. More bus stops, more people. Yeah, it's really busy now that it's August. It's a Sunday, and the tourists are in record numbers because of a post-COVID time period now. Got a taxi. Hello, how are you? Okay, I'm gonna keep on moving down. Oops, sorry. Okay. Kind of long lines everywhere. I was thinking about going down this street, but because I want to take you all the way down to the other main street, I will not. Okay, so we're gonna try to enter into the street. So when we come out to the end, we're gonna have, let's kind of see if I can capture something more interesting. When we come out to the end, we're gonna be in Square. people at the bus stop there. So let's kind of move like this. Sano Square is coming up fairly quickly, and that's going to be the end of our video. Okay. Almost there. We're almost there, but this is Almeida Ribeiro as well. Some pretty cool murals way up at that top right there too. Okay, let's go a little bit further. Okay, so we're gonna come out to Sano Square, and then we're gonna end our video. There it is. So we're gonna go over to that fountain in a minute. I'll just kind of let you know, Almeida Ribeiro goes all the way down to the end where there's MGM Casino down there, Lisboa Casino, Grand Lisboa Casino. So Almeida Ribeiro just keeps on going down. Kind of busy everywhere today. So we are going to come back to this fountain over here. Then we're going to end our video shortly. Yeah, it's so crowded today. So now we're at Almeida Ribeiro. The street that we just went down was this one. Hello, how are you? Where are you from? Ta? Go say, you gotta go dun. Okay. Dun. So, okay. So yeah, this is also Square, this whole area right in here, filled with tons and tons of people. And they got a live stage right there as well. And we basically, our Pont 16 is directly down there. You can see it right there. And we basically walked down that street. And I think we're gonna end it right there. So that was Almeida Ribeiro. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.